The DCM integration with Analytics 360 enables a new DCM section of reports as well as DCM metrics and dimensions that you can access throughout your analytics account. Look under Acquisition in the left-hand navigation menu to find the new DoubleClick Campaign Manager report section. Each of these new reports pairs a DCM dimensions view-through and click-through sessions with GA session metrics, such as pages per session, bounce rate, goal completions, and revenue. The DCM dimensions in this section of your Analytics 360 reports are advertisers, campaigns, sites, placements, ads, and creatives. In the campaigns report, you can analyze your DCM campaign performance. For example, you can see that for the month of April 2017, the DCM campaign driving the most revenue is Google Merchandise Store Bags 2017. Select the metric group Clicks in the Explorer tab to view DCM metrics directly imported from DoubleClick. These include impressions, clicks, and cost. The Floodlight report provides a breakdown of DCM floodlight conversions by DCM floodlight activity. You can apply segments and secondary dimensions to further analyze the data. In addition to enabling the DCM report section, the integration also lets you use DCM dimensions within segments or as secondary dimensions throughout your Analytics 360 reports. These dimensions include advertiser, campaign, placement, and many more. Note that in Analytics 360, these will be labeled with DCM. For example, DCM advertiser and DCM campaign. You can also see floodlight conversion data in most reports by selecting the Floodlight metric group on the Explorer tab. For example, you could see which in-market segments in your demographics and interest reports drive the most DCM conversions and revenue. You could use this information to adjust your spending towards those in-market segments that drive the most DCM conversions, like consumer electronics and mobile phones. You can also select DCM dimensions and metrics, including Floodlight, when creating custom reports. Keep in mind that it is not possible to combine DCM model and GA model dimensions in any single report. Also, it's not possible to combine GA model dimensions with DCM metrics. For example, you won't be able to view DCM clicks against source medium. Within the GA interface, you can see that the DoubleClick dimensions are labeled with either DCM model or GA model. For example, DCM campaign ID, DCM model. Where there is no label specifying attribution model, it is likely using the GA model. Source medium, for example, is a GA model dimension, but it does not include the label. We've completed an overview of the new features you get from the DCM and Analytics 360 integration. There are many ways to use the DCM report section in your Analytics 360 account, as well as the DCM dimensions and metrics that are available throughout. In the next lesson, we'll walk you through a real-world example.